In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and share your Monopoly Go invite link on Facebook. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. This can be on your computer or on your mobile phone, depending on where you normally access Facebook. Once Chrome is open, go to Facebook and sign in to the account that is connected to your Monopoly Go game. This part is important because the invite link is tied to the Facebook account associated with the game, so you'll want to make sure you're logged into the correct one before moving on. If Facebook is already open and signed in, take a quick moment to confirm that you're using the right profile. That can help you avoid copying the wrong link or sharing an invite that doesn't connect properly with your game account. After you're logged in, the next step is to copy your unique Monopoly Go invite link. This is the personal link connected to your game account, and it allows you to invite others using your referral or friend invite option. When you locate the link, copy it to your clipboard. On a desktop, that usually means highlighting the link and using the copy command. On mobile, you may need to tap and hold the link, then choose the copy option from the menu that appears. Once the link has been copied, it will be saved temporarily to your clipboard, which means it's ready to be pasted anywhere you want to share it. Before continuing, it's a good idea to make sure the link copied fully and correctly, especially if you're sharing it with multiple people. Now paste the link into the place where you want to share it. You can use browser-based messages, email, or social media posts, depending on who you want to send it to. On desktop, click into the message box or post field and paste the link. On mobile, tap and hold in the text area, then select paste. This will insert your Monopoly Go invite link so it's ready to send or publish. At this point, all that's left is to review where you pasted it and make sure it looks correct. A clean, complete link is easier for others to open and use. Once everything looks good, you can send the message, post it, or share it however you prefer. That's it. You've successfully copied your Monopoly Go invite link and shared it through Facebook-related browsing in Chrome.